Today we're diving into SoFi, examining key data points, analyzing market movements, and discussing everything you need to know. So let's get straight to it. Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi wrapped up the trading session with a 3.06% decline, hitting a low of 13.42 and a high of 14.27. This movement follows a similar trend from recent trading days, primarily driven by concerns surrounding inflation. However, tomorrow holds significant weight as Nvidia's earnings report is set to be released after market close. This could either provide some much-needed relief to the broader market or intensify the ongoing downtrend. What's particularly interesting is how the market behaves at open. Over the past 2 days, pre-market activity has appeared relatively stable, but within 10 minutes of the official market open, a sharp sell-off has occurred. This suggests that major institutional investors are executing large-scale trades during regular market hours rather than pre-market. The reasoning behind this could be their intent to maximize profits through options, specifically put contracts. Trading volume today was notably high, with 63.1 million shares exchanging hands compared to the 45.8 million average. This unusual surge in activity was reflected in dark pool transactions, with multiple trades exceeding $100,000. Notably, 2 significant transactions were recorded right at market close, totaling $19.1 million and $3.13 million respectively. Given that both trades occurred at the exact same time, it's reasonable to infer they were executed by the same institutional entity. Additional notable after-hours transactions include trades of $6.9 million, $3 million, $1 million, and even a massive $41.2 million. Such significant activity raises questions. Are institutional investors accumulating shares in anticipation of a potential rebound? Is there an upcoming catalyst that has yet to be made public? Feel free to share your thoughts on this. As for fundamental updates, today did not bring any groundbreaking developments. A few Federal Reserve officials made statements, but nothing particularly market-moving. SoFi did release news related to its Galileo segment, though it followed the same trajectory as previous updates without introducing any groundbreaking innovation. While the announcement may be useful for background information, it doesn't serve as a compelling reason to buy or sell. A broader trend emerging in the fintech sector is the evolution of companies like Robinhood. CEO Vlad Tenev recently hinted at potential real estate integration within Robinhood's platform, essentially positioning it as a one-stop shop for financial services. This would place it in direct competition with SoFi's ecosystem. However, SoFi appears to be playing it safe rather than aggressively expanding into new financial services. While some investors appreciate their cautious approach, others may see it as a missed opportunity. Short interest remains a key factor in SoFi's stock movement. Currently, 11.86% of the free float is being shorted, translating to 127.65 million shares. The cost-to-borrow rate has recently turned positive at 0.18%, marking the first time in weeks that it has moved in this direction. However, short sellers only returned around 4,000 shares today, indicating minimal covering activity. Looking at options data, $25 million was allocated to call contracts, while $11 million went into puts. Overall, 44% of today's option activity had a bearish tilt, consistent with recent trends. The total premium for the day reached $35.7 million, which aligns closely with previous trading days, 34.6 millioners yesterday and 30 millioners the day before. Today also marked the 5th consecutive red day for SoFi, a rare streak that hasn't been seen in quite some time. Over the past 5 trading sessions, SoFi has declined by 11.65%, and over the past month it is down 14%. Despite this, Call option traders are still targeting a price range of 15 to 15.50s, suggesting expectations of a recovery, whereas bearish positions anticipate a drop below $13. From a technical perspective, SoFi is currently trading between support and resistance levels. The next key resistance level sits at 14.49, while 13.89 serves as a strong support. During today's session, the stock briefly dipped below this support level before rebounding, indicating buying interest at these levels. On the chart, SoFi closed right around the 100-day moving average, a key level to monitor moving forward. If it fails to hold this support, it may trade between the 200-day and 100-day moving averages for the foreseeable future. Additionally, the stochastic RSI is signaling oversold conditions, suggesting that a potential bounce could be on the horizon if broader market conditions improve. The next major catalyst, aside from company-specific developments, is NVIDIA's earnings report. As one of the most influential tech stocks, its performance could set the tone for broader market sentiment. A strong report might trigger a market-wide rebound, whereas disappointing results could deepen the sell-off. What are your thoughts on SoFi's current state? Did you take advantage of the dip, or are you staying on the sidelines? If there's something in today's developments that I may have overlooked, feel free to share your insights. Personally, I made some small purchases recently. Last week, I mentioned that I reallocated some funds to create a new portfolio. Today, I executed 2 trades, acquiring 50 shares of SoFi at 14.06 and purchasing 15 shares of AMD at 110. While I didn't time the absolute bottom, I still have available capital to buy more if needed. I plan to share my transactions, options activity, and future investment decisions moving forward. In total, I maintain 7 or 8 different brokerage accounts, each serving a specific purpose. Interestingly, I had nearly forgotten about one of these accounts until today's market decline, which prompted me to deploy some capital. Aside from SoFi and AMD, other stocks on my watch list include Palantir, though I believe it hasn't reached an optimal entry point just yet. Another name I'm monitoring is Moo, which I anticipate purchasing in the near future. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.